I'm Eric Wimmer. I started installing heat cable a number of years ago, almost 20 years ago. I started in the industry because somebody asked me to install some heat cable for them, and I was like, oh, well, I guess I can do that. As I explored into doing that first job, even just that very first job, all the electricians, suppliers for the cable, nobody knew a lick about it. It was so frustrating, and I had to go in and figure it all out myself. Later on, we discovered more of how to calculate the roof lines, calculate how much cable goes into it, understanding the electrical side of it, the ins and outs. And the more I dove into it, I started discovering there's a lot of complex stuff in here, but even electricians are messing this up. Roofers are botching it, and gutter guys are doing the worst. And so I found that there was a lot of need in the industry for sure. I've had to contact electricians that know a bit of one thing, and then a supplier that has some information that I can tie to that one, and then the manufacturer and the engineers behind the product, and then pulling all that information together and say, okay, if this and this and this and this and all, okay, I get it. Now I know what I need to do here, but all that information has not been in one location until now we're launching heatcable.com, which is going to give us everything we need to be able to supply installers across the US and outside the US, Canada, Alaska, over in Europe. They're reaching out to us. They've been finding we definitely know our stuff about heat cable. Now it's time to put it all into one source, and that's where heatcable.com is going to come and really help a lot of people out.